I'm Carmen,
I'm Camilo.
and this is Take 5 Working for You.
No! Do I get to play? I want to put a wig on.
I want a hat.
Can I have a wig?
I want a horse. I'll take the dinosaur.
Ooh,
I'll take the dinosaur. I want the wig. Can I have a wig? Yes! Give it it. Give it it. You look great.
Okay, so we're going from eggs to Doctor House. Like eggs is food. Anyway,
You need to find an actor, and then you can go from entertainment.
let's say Bible, because then it could say something about art.
Sports section drawn by Matt Gaby. This one over
television.
here is going to be the famous. And then on the track page, we'll put them in the middle. So we've got two track pages.
Is there anything that says?
Okay, now we need to find television. Television show. Okay, now we need to find a medical drama.
No, you're fine.
Find genre from this.
Roll with it. Go with it.
Oh.
Do it. Do it.
Genres.
Do you?
Okay. What's your name?
Josie,
What are your favorite video games?
Deltarune, and Five Nights at Freddy's.
Nice.
Lila,
What's your favorite video game?
Roblox, and Call of Duty.
Nice. What's your name?
Molly.
What's your favorite video game to play?
Zelda.
Nice.
Street lights came on. Time to go inside. It's dark, kids. Your parents know where you are.
It's 10 p.m.
Do you know where your children are?
Be home before the street lights come on.
Somebody's getting grounded.
Tweaking out right now. The footage is going to be gone because of me.
Fine, I chose this.
No, we have to go. It's kind of creepy.
Don't say anything. Don't tell Camilla anything.
Hello there. We're doing take 5. Again, the footage got lost. So don't mind us.
It's not about Christmas.
Oh my gosh. He didn't check a lot over here.
Oh my gosh, he's walking away. He already checked there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move there.
You guys made a break for it.
Keep back. See you.
I was just in the auditorium.
God.
No! I'm out. God darn it. I know.
They're doing a take 5 and I don't want to disturb them.
Go.
Take 5 stuff. Hide and seek. You know. Yo, I'll check. Hon, like this. Wait, but where's the little girl?
We found her.
Dang. She's the last survivor.
Okay, wait.
That was 5 things.
In less than 5 minutes.
Take 5.